What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, boys. I have a confession to make. The car did break again. Yes, guys, the Coyote car, it broke again. Long story short, I went to the track the previous Sunday, and I did not make a video because I really wanted to focus on getting the car down the track. When I'm filming my best video is like the ultimate goal. So everything else is secondary. So I wanted to go out there, not film, and try to really focus on the car and getting it down the track. Car did not run good. It ran a string of 760s at 94, and I was pissed. And so I pretty much left early, went home to watch football, and wanted to go home to watch football. Well, I go to leave, and I make it about a mile from the track, and the car, done. Long story short, what I'm pretty sure, and we'll find out in this video, is I blew the hose inside the tank that comes off of the pump and goes to the hanger, which we've done that before back in 2019. But yeah, so pretty much sure that's what happened again. So the goal is to fix that, but I did do a few things I want to show you guys real quick. Okay, guys, so the red car did get some love, and kind of excited about it, actually. You know, if you saw the video, obviously we got the contour fans and all that, but I got the SVE radiator hold down, got rid of those crappy stock ones that had like red overspray, and let's show you. Yeah, so everything is blacked out right here. That's been a goal for a while. And I also, guys, the Surbinator Auto Designs bolt kit, got that, and I already had those on the fenders, as you can see right there. Sorry for the shadows, but I've also got them right back there on the hinges. My buddy Matt Serbin, SurbinatorAutoDesigns.com, or hit him up on Instagram, makes these. It's a super nice little kit, stainless bolts. I love it, but everything's kind of cleaned up under the hood, and that definitely makes me feel better. Now we've got to make this thing run. So first stop, and as you can see, my MRTs, because it's cold out, my MRTs will not hold my hood up. So thank you, MRT, for that. I've got to run by Dover's. I got a part number for a better fuel line hose that's going to be able to handle this kind of pressure submersed in the tank, and hopefully we'll never have that issue again. Let's get in Big Black and go. The second issue I've got is my AT Street R bias plies are done. They literally have nothing left. So I'm gonna go ahead and just get some ET drags. Just makes sense, you know. Screw it. Plan, maybe try to find a set of rear tire, or excuse me, rear wheels used, just to ride around on. Put something, you know, put like a ET Street SS or something to drive around on. You can drive on slicks. As little as I drive the car, it probably wouldn't be an issue, but I don't want to wear them out prematurely anyway. So I'll probably do that. But for now, we're just going for broke, and gonna put some ET drags on it, and hopefully that's enough to get us where we need to be. We had a special order this fuel line. It's a Gates part number. I'll put it up on the screen. Speedx 731 actually turned me onto this. It's supposed to be a whole lot better, a whole lot stronger as far as a submersible hose, and should solve a problem. Fingers crossed. All right, guys, so we have got the fuel line. We're good to go, but I did want to show you guys this. If you've ever had this problem, or even if you hadn't, go to like O'Reilly or whatever, order that up. That's a Gates fuel line. It's supposed to be the bomb. So let's get back to the house, get this thing fixed. All right, gentlemen, we are back at the crib. I need to get Pop's car out of the way. Yes, keys are in it. Pop's car needed to run anyway. Cold start. She's definitely temperamental, boys. Yeah, buddy. Now we got a little room to do something. This is going to be a little tricky. I'm a one-man show today, and there's quite a bit of gas in the tank, but I've done this before. Okay. There we go. It'd be a balancing act, but like I said, I've done this before, so shouldn't be too bad. I know there's at least 5 gallons in it. Alright. Alright, so let's get this damn thing out of here. See what's up with this hose. Alright guys, and as you can see right there, just like it did the last time. I'm about to get this off anyway, but that's it. That is the issue once again. Alright guys, so I got it back together and I've tried my best to make the line a little more straight. As you can see, this one had a little more kink in it, not a lot. This is better line too, so we'll see. But and if you're wondering guys, this is just a Aeromotive 340. But yeah, let's get this thing back in and get her all put back together. Yep. She's alive! Woo! Thank God. Thank you to Mrs. Foxcast for starting it, boys. I was filthy. All right, boys, there you go. She's fixed. Definitely do that with a friend and or with an empty tank. But it was a pain in the ass, I'm not even gonna lie. But we got it. She's alive. Got this better hose in. I don't know if this hose, it's supposed to be better. We'll know soon. But it runs, and I got to get the slicks on it, and hopefully very soon get the gear and the two-step on it. And we're gonna, I've been talking to all my guys in MRA Coyote stock, which huge shout out to you guys. You guys are freaking amazing. But they're always nothing but super duper helpful, and any information they have, they pass along, and so I appreciate that. But basically what it boils down to, if we can get the car to 60 foot, it's there. In the 6s, 8th mile, 10s, quarter mile, so just got to get it to 60 foot. The best 60 I've got, I believe, is a 170. We need to get down to around a 140. Slicks, gear, two-step, not a problem. Not even a little bit. So that is coming, boys. The long chase that has been kind of put on the back burner and brought back and put on the back burner, it's going to happen. 10s, Junkyard, Coyote. Full weight, no weight reduction whatsoever. Air conditioning, power steering, with less than drag suspension, basically street style suspension. That is coming, I promise you. It's alive. I'm gonna go shower later.